All right, the last one we're going to do is reinforcement learning. I need a volunteer to step outside the room, and we will lock the doors for you. Who wants to be the volunteer to step outside the room? Oh, okay. All right, cool. That was quick. You can be the second one because we have a second pass. Okay. You can explain the thing inside. I'll explain to you. All right. What's going to happen now is they have a brown box with like a microbit inside. You know what that is? It's that thing. Yeah. Yeah. So your job is to go look for it. I'll give you 30 seconds.
Okay.
And everybody inside there is going to tell you directions at the same time. I don't know if they're right or not.
Okay.
Your goal is to go find this thing in 30 seconds.
Okay, box with microbit. Got it.
Yep.
Brown box with microbit.
Yep. Brown and has a little green band on it.
Okay.
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 I'll wait until he tells me he's ready. Ready? Okay. Come in. All right, let me set the timer. 30-second timer, please.
30 seconds.
Go.
Counting down.
Good.
Please cancel.
No, that's not that one. How many seconds do you have left? Time up. Time up. Okay, where was it? Oh, you're actually pretty close. It's in here. Oh, okay, that's like maybe a little too hard of a hide, but okay. Okay, cool. All right, so you're our second victim, right?
Yes.
Okay, come with me. Somebody else is gonna hide now. All right, let's go. Okay. Same deal, but this time you have a guide, okay, which like changes, the lights change depending on how close you are. So like the more lights, the closer you are.
Okay.
Okay. I'll explain what it means later, but
Okay.
that's all you really need to know.
Sweet.
How are you enjoying the conference so
So
far?
far, so good. How's it been for you guys?
Not bad.
Full sessions or?
Yeah, 2 sessions today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I like that it's interactive. You're getting us up moving around. That's
Cool.
much appreciated. I'll say that.
Yeah. I've gone to so many of these conferences, but like,
Hearing can always be interesting.
yeah.
Some are more eager to go than others.
Right. I mean, that's true about kids too, right?
Oh, for sure.
Ready? Okay. Here's your tracker. Well, I'll explain it to everybody in case you haven't heard it. Okay, just wait here. I'll start the timer. Basically, show that to everybody. Did you already show this? Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. So you got 30 seconds.
Sorry, I don't.
Set a 30-second timer.
30 seconds. Counting down.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. But that shouldn't matter, right? Like, I mean, just keep going. All right, I'll give him 5 seconds to like figure out how to use the thing. All right, you've got 5 more seconds left. How close are you? You're not that
That's like
close.
the closest I've been.
Okay. All right, I'll extend for another 10 seconds, but I'm guessing it's probably closer here. Oh, I see it. Yeah. Cool. All right, that took more like 45 seconds. Yeah, so if you put it right next to each other, you should see that all the lights are on. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just go with that. All right, so what we tried to demonstrate here is this concept of reinforcement learning. With reinforcement learning, the idea is you're like a little agent. They use that term agent for like Typically it's a robot or like a video game character or something like that. And you have a goal. You know what the goal is, which in this case is finding the transmitter, right? But what you don't know when you start is how to get there and if I'm moving in the right direction. So that was the first experience where everybody was saying random stuff at the same time. You have no idea. And so what happens when they train these reinforcement learning models is they'll run the agent thousands of times. And in sheer randomness, a couple of these times, it'll actually find the thing, right? We were really close out of sheer randomness. But once it finds it, now we can backtrack and figure out what are the right signals. How do I know if I'm getting closer or not? And you develop an internal policy or like an internal sort of like value map. And that value map is a lot like this transmitter, or sorry, like the receiver that's telling you how close you are to the thing, right? It doesn't tell you exactly how to get there, but it tells you if you're moving in the right direction. And that's sort of like your internal like assessment of how correct you are. And that's how these reinforcement learning agents work. They build like a policy or a value estimate so that as long as I keep moving towards the higher values, I'm probably going to get the right end, or like get to the end.